How much time Masicka get #1 pan iTunes? Never even mention Alkaline. How much #1 Alkaline put pan iTunes line up back one another?
A few moments later.
So wait, Vybz Kartel drop 20 songs, none of no fuckery. But everything with Alkaline drop a garbage.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
So Alkaline drop the new song. According to Alkaline, you know. The new banger. No emotions. This song a fuckery.
Gotcha, bitch.
Everything with Masicka drop a garbage. Everything with Popcorn drop a garbage. Everything with Idonia drop a garbage. Gaza fan, you know alright? You know okay?
I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, how the latest news them lock.
One Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man, one Media Fox. So people, Mr. J progress run out. And he must say something. And he's like, I'm glad he might realize the atmosphere. You understand? When I got here where I say down in the video. You understand? Because I always tell them, you know, everything you have good and bad. You see, some of them Gaza man, yeah, them no want other artists for make it. Them no want whatever them achieve, them use it and try to bring down the other rest of artists them. You see me, and when the artists them do feed them thing, see it, and do something where them do, them not get the credit. Them find a bag of excuses we say, yo, rare, this, that, and that now gonna do nothing for the genre. You understand? It's like if I them alone and them have the power, them would have just get rid of artists and just make Kartel alone do it. But Kartel alone cannot do it. You understand? Because remember, say there was a lot of artists out there back then where did that do it. So make it comes that Kartel can they are do him the same way. You understand? So when you listen to what I want people.
You see, if you be a Gaza blogger, you have to be a biased blogger. Me not ask you that. To be a Gaza blogger, you have to be a biased blogger. And if you're going to be a vendetta blogger, you're gonna have to be a biased blogger as well. And the same goes for every single artist out there. One side, the whole of them. If you're gonna be blogging for a particular artist, you're gonna have to be biased. If that artist sing fuckery, you have to go say bad. And you can never credit another artist who do a good body of work. How much time Masicka album them got #1? How much time Masicka get #1 pan iTunes? Never even mention Alkaline. How much #1 Alkaline put pan iTunes line up back one another? But tell you what, their #1 on iTunes doesn't mean #1. It means number 100. The only person #1 on iTunes which represent #1 is Vybz Kartel.
Yo, you see, yo. That's why I'm tell Alkaline telling you everything I gonna make sense soon. You see how J Progress I call out everything now. Now him sit back and him a watch, you know. Remember, you know, I tell him say that Grammy thing there, it expose a lot with enough of them people and mentality. How them no want nobody else to win. Them rather bring down the artist, and at the end of the day, the artist is a part of where we are, a part of our culture. But because them want to feed them artists to win, and the artists no win, them bring down the artists they will win. You understand? I saw them operate. But him is a man. But him, I guess him kind of wise up now. You see me? Although sometimes him have him opinion. You see me? Everybody entitled to them opinion. You see it. But him a realize and him a sit back and him a say, yo, them people don't want no other artists. Is like the things what them do. Other artists do it. But it's like them discredit it. Them go on like the artists. Them not do nothing. You understand? But listen to what I say.
Me tell the world this. Vybz Kartel is one of my artists. I listen to Vybz Kartel music. I love some of Vybz Kartel music. The best decision the Vybz Kartel come and make for me was when him say him tap the gun tune. Because them the song they does for the bagaboo them. The little idiot them like one Kevin, some little clown. We can't comprehend nothing. But powerful music, music with substance, music will change the shape of dancehall. And them the music there. I gonna make a difference. So no SYM fuckery song with Vybz Kartel do. I'm born ready and them thing. Them they are garbage. I would have take those and put them in the bin.
No. Yo, dog, man, I tell you, it really gets serious, you know. It really gets serious. But I just say thing, Gaza people, them, you see some of them, because we can't say all of them. You see me? We can't say all of them. But You see some of them hold them on, but you have some who fall in the media and how them talk and how them did certain things like same person where my talk, I say Kevin. Him forward, him bring down every artist, him do this, him do that. Them no want the culture grow. You see me, and them feel like say a cartel alone can grow the culture. You see me, at the end of the day, you have to give artists them credit what them do. You see me? But don't use a next man gain and then you use that bring down the other rest and all of them little thing there. You see me? Yeah. I just that. Cause at the end of the day, every artist I contribute to the culture. Seem like a cartel I do. You see it. But sometimes them man fall out and say something. Even J Progress on my time. It's just that now him I realize what I go on, cause look at you see. Him back then him did that back the Gaza thing, back cartel thing, you know. But it's like as a human you want to speak the truth. Seeing? But him can't do it, him can't be himself. So now him fall out and say, yo, the cartel song a shaggy. Them a go beat him, and at that now make him a go come out and talk the truth about where I go on. You see it?
You understand? Hype Life can't listen. It's a good energy song. It's a nice song. On the drop top rhythm thing. Me like that song they bad. But you see, God says that a song. You hear me? I say, I am not gonna be out here and blog for no artist and kill the music. Because if you go be a Gaza blogger, you have to kill the music. Me I tell you. And a lot of bloggers.
Yo, Jano. But me glad that him a say it still, cause him say, if you go be a Gaza blogger, you go kill the music. Him never say vendetta, him never say crux, him never say unruly. You understand? Yeah, man.
Out here, afraid to even say something. We not connect with the Gaza because them afraid of the Gaza. Nice make of them. Blog me a blog. And I run my own channel. And me drop my own influence. No artist no influence my channel. No artist now pay me. No artist now do dub plate for me. Me now look no friend for no artist. Me no review artist. Me must see a song I want review it myself. As so J Progress go to work. No artist can buy out J Progress. You can't send me a lion and expect me to blog for your 1, 2 lion. It no work. Them there you have to do that with one Kevin and them man there. You have to just be an artist and sit down and say me you J Progress and say about that song. And if him rate the song or not. Because if him no rate him, just no rate it. And me tell you no already, there is no in between pan the song for me. No kind of bad, no ray. Is it that bad or a fuckery? You understand me I say? And the two songs them when me put on my page, where Vybz Kartel drop, when me do a video too, them they are bad song. So all we ball we Gaza fans want ball and crash out when them want crash out. God go we don't know. Go and go listen to Vybz Kartel SYM song. Drink some water and calm down yourself. Jamaica, me not going to do it. Me not go tear down every other's dancehall artist and push Vybz Kartel up there so. All when Vybz Kartel a sing fuckery too.
Jaja. People, a J Progress attack, you know? Yeah, this was the man who did that. You don't know a vlog for the Gaza thing, and that's why I call out. That's why I say, yo, him can't do the Gaza blogger thing, cause he might go, you see me? He might go talk something for try bring down some other artists and bring down. Cause let me tell you, some of them Gaza man, yeah, them don't want to see them don't want to see no other bad people reach, get big out there. Them don't want that, brother. From Cartel come out, bro, it's like the man them. I try to compare what Kartel I do to the whole genre, bro. Knowing say Kartel was absent and never been to these places. So for him demand that I go higher. But the man them use that and beat up Kartel forward out. And the man them say, yo, artists them not drop no music. Artists them a drop music, you know. But throughout that time, you know the hype and the controversy with Kartel release and everything. So it's like the attention was more around that than the music. So they must start say, yo, no artist now drop no music or walk on and this and that. And when Kartel drop him first song, see? Them say a bag of thing. Then now, Alkaline drop a song, film girls them. Here man them a go say, yo, a Shaggy song this. Him should have come out and reply back to what Kartel say or this or that. The man them not care about the music, bro. You see me? Them not care about the music. Yeah man, me tell them say, if some of them Gaza man they have a button with them press, if you say, cancel the rest of the dancehall artists, a quick push. I tell you that, quick push. Cause we owe them talk. Them no give artists credit on them little thing there. You see me? Cause me as a vlogger, if me say Kartel do a thing and do a thing, me not go discredit what a man do. You see me? Yeah, me talk about the disadvantage or the advantage of the situation. But where a man do, he might contribute. But them man, brother, everything we Kartel, the man, me try use it against, especially them young artists, We boss where the man them a try use a cartel against the local youth them. I mean I say bro, cartel in a game for cartel at bigger artists. Owner use the cartel with them young youths yeah. We just boss where they. Them don't even gone 5 years in the game good. You understand? These are the things the man them do. And them know say brother, what I do is it's impossible, bro. If you compare artists about like 2-3 years ago, or even 5 years with a man went in the business about 20 years, 25 years. You understand? These are the things them do, bro. You see me? Yeah.
Me not going to do it. Me not go bury up every work where every other artist put in a dance hall. And go on like a Vybz Kartel alone and do music. Vybz Kartel is one of our greatest, yes, we can't take it from him. As disputed as it may be, Vybz Kartel is the king of dancehall, yes, we can't take that from him. We know that Vybz Kartel can drop 50 songs a day if he want to. We not take that from him. But Vybz Kartel is not the only dancehall artist. Vybz Kartel alone cannot move dancehall. And that's the thing there. He's separated apart. Whether Vybz Kartel are me artist or me artist not. Me still a go burn him when foolish go on. And worse I know why me have to go burn him is because of the little garbage Gaza fans them.
John, you see it now, people? Boy, man, some have got burn cartel because of the Gaza people, them. You see me? Seem like we're not forward out and I say a bag of thing, man. You see it? Yeah, because, you see, some of them Gaza man, you know, it's not about the music. It's more like what cartel I do. You understand? What I do, not the music. You see me? So, the 1, 2, 3 thing, yeah, good for cartel. You see me? It's a good look. But them take that and create a little thing and go and like say, yo, other artists out there never did that do it. Or was not number one or something. So them move, so them go on. You see me? So J Progress see what go on here now. But too late.
When out here a be little every other artist like them don't make no sense in a dancehall. When the other artists them get number one on iTunes, none of them never talk about it. But yet still no bias. Me a one little idiot one Kevin, I go say, we bad mind by our man like me. We burn so much fire. The Vybz Kartel. Bad mind Vybz Kartel. Me know the one them bad mind Vybz Kartel. I have no personal vendetta against Vybz Kartel. All I have a personal vendetta with his dancehall music and reggae music.
J Progress. No. You see people? You see it? The one he might get touch in him own representation. So him realize now, so every time people talk the truth, them say a bad mind. No him talk the truth. No people no the same man them a call him bad mind. You understand? So now him a realize what I want. Just because him just talk a thing. Or talk him opinion. Or talk where other people are settled. You see me? That's how you go. You have for us. You know? Get beat in your house same way.
And if me follow some of the Gaza fans, who no kill the music. Who no kill the music. Because we not go bury everybody else, no matter what kind of body I work, them put in a dancehall and reggae. Why? Because we no want to see a Vybz Kartel alone do the music. Well, sorry if you tell no Gaza fans. Vybz Kartel, he alone is not doing the music. He have a great contribution, but him alone is not doing the music. If you say who is dancehall, we probably tell you say a Vybz Kartel, but him alone can't carry dancehall wait to go. Him.
That them not realize, you know. Remember the world big out there, you know. Seeing and you have to realize that we have different generations. You see me? The generation we grew up with cartel music, I go listen to cartel music. But the generation we not grew up with cartel music, they might listen to whatever artists with them grew up with. You understand? So that show you say him alone can't carry it. You see it? And I only in a dancer I see this, you know. Like I not see this in a Afrobeat and R&B and them little thing. They're like, yo, when an artist do a thing, them just do a thing, man. You see it? I don't know, some of them Gaza man, yeah, them just want to bring down everywhere. Cause I remember one time, you know, people, Shaggy must see perform in front of, must see 48,000 people. I see one a cartel vlogger run out. Yo, I say I lie, this, that, ready. I bring down the artist, you know. But when cartel perform in front of a certain capacity of crowd, seeing, nobody not say nothing. Them say, alright, him do that. But when somebody do something, me realize when somebody do something more bigger than what cartel do, them try to degrade it. And them know say, brother, we now mash up the business. We supposed to congratulate it and say, yo, do it. As something for the dancer. We don't want that. You understand? We don't want that. We don't want cartel alone for achieve these things. You see me? And that's why in the space right now, them think they can't move the genre, bro. You see me, Kartel alone can't do it, bro. You see me, because at the end of the day, you have a big world out there where people are listening to different artists. You feel like, say, you can get up every day more while and just listen to the same thing. You see me? I know every day, after a while, you go on change certain things. You see it? You now go on wear one shoes for the rest of your life. You see me? So when Kartel reach at a certain age, who you going to listen to? You see me? You go on listen to the artists, that's how you think said. I music same way. But I guess them man, yeah, you can't listen to Kartel alone. Nothing wrong with that. But you have to just know, so yo, other people are going there, they put out their music and thing and do greatness too. You see me? Because more greatness and more artists will do greatness in a genre. It's a good look. It'll push the genre there, so. You see me? Because at the end of the day, one man, if all you think the government thing work on them, I know one man beat. You might say one president or something, but them have a whole body, a whole group. We are carrying around the country, and one man around the country. You have an organization where I run it. We are help this a man. You understand? That's how you think said. Yeah, man.
Represent dancehall and maybe say who is the real representation of Vybz Kartel. But him alone cannot carry dancehall where it needs to go. And I know him alone a put out work in a dancehall leader. What want to do? Discredit everybody else. For what? And a dancehall and reggae we are music. We are deal with. If me can say man get Grammy, I want to discredit him. I own no man. I own no. So wait, if Vybz Kartel drop 20 songs, none of them are no fuckery.
No, man. None of them are no shaggy, man. At that way I tell you, the Kartel can't do nothing bad for the people. I tell you that. Can't do nothing bad. You see it? Can't do nothing bad. If he put out 20 songs, them are going to say, yo, it and this and that. They're not going to do that. You see it? That's how it thing go. Everybody are going to do that. Them not like the opinion and the facts. You see it?
Well, all right. What if... So wait, Vybz Kartel drop 20 songs, none of no fuckery. But everything with Alkaline drop a garbage. Everything with masicka drop a garbage. Everything with popcorn drop a garbage. Everything with Idonia drop a garbage. Gaza fan, you know alright? You know okay? You know sitting around with you no man.
Yeah, man. I know J-Pricks are the Gaza people in my way, but some I think them way I say I choose still. You see it? I choose people. You see me? So it's the Grammy thing there. The way I see the man them did the bro. I say, yo, Jano, bro. It's like, you don't want other body do greatness, bro. Like, you know that take down the whole... Yo, Fan Kartel come out from prison. See? Remember, you know. It's like Kartel in a prison. Seeing dancehall, the Kartel put out the music and I get him hits them and everything, right? Kartel come out now. Seeing? Kartel do what him do. Might get the chance to do what him do. Seeing? Man them bring up Sean Paul. Bag of thing man them start discredit what Sean Paul do. And all of these things. Seeing? Shaggy, him and them did with Beanie man, him and them every artist the man them try where you can say, yo, we do it out there. Or achieve more things than what Kartel achieve. You see me? Either diamond or streaming or whatsoever. See? Rather than the man say, yo, them a do it. Them try to bring up some excuses to try ability what the artists them do. You see me? These are the things them and them do, bro. Them no give no credit. Them I just strictly bring down. You see me? Bring down. I saw them man they stay. Them man they no want to see nobody do nothing. Brother, nothing no wrong, you know. If artists are do way bigger than what Kartel do, you know, numbers or whatsoever, you know, bro. Nothing no wrong, fam. Nothing no wrong with that, you know, dog. Because at the end of the day, the two people them represent dancehall and reggae. You see me? It's a good look for the genre, but you don't see it as that. You see me? You don't want it grow. You don't see like say, yo, dancehall and a Kartel and I'm going to carry go there, so. And that's how it work, bro. You understand? And that's how it work. You see me? Because you don't feel like say, if, I'm telling you this, if Kartel alone, the inner dancer, say Kartel alone, inner the genre, so it was him alone, I do dancehall, brother, I wouldn't reach certain places, bro. Because I don't understand how the music work. You see me? Dancehall, no build off of one person, brother. It's a whole group, a whole body. Seeing like hip hop and every little thing, dog. You see it? I saw a thing grow. You see me? You feel like, say, pan a tree. You think, say, I just one leaf grow up on a tree, bro? I know one leaf grow up on a tree, dog. You see me? The tree grow with many leaves. And many leaves have fruits. So you feel like say cartel did it and a cartel alone can do it, brother. And that's how the thing work. One to when cartel reach a certain age and some different young generation forward in. Some people are gonna look as cartel say, yo, elder legendary. You see me? No five pit them will grow now. They maybe know cartel based on the look talking and thing, but some of the music were way back. Them don't know it. People were born like you understand recently and them a grow up on some young music like Skipper them and them look thing there. Them a feed them artists. You see me? And a cartel a feed them artists. You see it? So if you go say yo, feel like say a cartel alone can push it, bro. I know say it work. I want to win cartel. I do him thing and just go on easy. See him like bury some and them people eh. And not easy. Who a go move it? Who a carry it on? Other artists have to do it, bro. You understand? But them money enough for the music and culture. Some of them Gaza money, bro, enough for the music. For them alone, brother, the culture crash. I tell you that. Yeah, man. But people, when you don't know, you know, I want media facts, man. Big up on yourself. And at the end of the day, every fan base I do them thing. You see me? Because at the end of the day, a dancehall and a competition. You see me? Yeah, and sometimes we need the competition to make the thing spiral and them look at thing there. But when you see other people out there growing and do them thing, bro, can got the game, brother. It's like you have a tree and you see tree a grow and you throw water and you know, feed the tree and whatsoever and it a go. You will continue to do it. So if you see artists a grow out there, bro, and they on some level, give them credit, brother. Make them grow so the culture can grow too. Because if them a grow, the culture a grow. You see me say if 3 artists a do it, congrats them, make them do it. Kensington they win the Grammy, congrats him, bro. I still reggae and dancehall thing or so. Whatever I'm still a do it for the culture same way. Don't bring him down. What you gonna do? If you see one tree a grow with fruit, what you gonna do? Chop it down and then everybody dead for hungry. Make it grow, bro. When cartel time for come and cartel forget it or whatsoever, he might get it, but not because the next man get it now. Go bring him down and say, yo, who know this, who know an album and rare, this and that. Bro, not because the man in the hype and them little thing they now go bring him down and say, who know this and who know that. You have people out there who know him. You understand? You have people out there who know him, bro. You see it? Not because we in the dancehall world are immoral in the reggae thing and the hype not to the round the reggae like that. Means nobody not know him. People know him have him fans. You see me? Check on him Instagram page, him people him dead. I listen to his music like his music. But through the hype, their own cartel and the controversy and the diss, I don't feel like say, yo, other people out there now put in the work as well. You see me? But that's how the thing said. And a lot of people out there I go see what I go on and come call out certain narrative. But people, big up on yourself and don't know one media facts, you know. Yeah, man. That is it.